My name is Bailey and I blog at simplymombailey.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about my hand washing routine. The past few years I've done a bucket and plunger, I've done it just in the sink, but this year I thought I would try a new product, the Scrubba Wash Bag, just because I was curious. I'm going to use this camping this year. I'm also going to bring it on our trip to central Canada, so we thought we'd give it a try. So I'm using soap nuts, because soap nuts are one of the few soaps that can be dumped right onto the grass, and I had hopes to take these camping. So you can find out more about soap nuts on my blog, and they work okay. Just like how the Scrubba Bag works okay. And for the most part, I put about 5 diapers in here at a time. I find anything more than that doesn't fit, and I don't have the patience to try anything less. So we'll grab a few diapers. I've been keeping all of my diapers in a pail because it just works really easy. It gives lots of oxygen to help them breathe. That's probably all it can handle for now. And then you can fill it up with warm or cold water. Once you have your bag, you're just going to roll down the bag. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so we're going to add our soap nuts. There we go. Now we're going to roll down the bag. And clip. And then you release. And deflate. You're going to get out all the air. So it says you can use the bag from 30 seconds to 3 minutes. Recommended for washing. This is the first step, and the first step, we're just trying to remove the urine and feces from the diapers, and then we're going to wash it again, and then we're going to rinse. There's not much water left in my bag, so I feel like I didn't use enough water. Sometimes you'll find that the cotton material absorbs so much water that it's hard to kind of gauge. And I know they say to use a stewy mixture, but I find that if your mixture is a little more soupy, it does a little better. Anyways, we're just trying to get the pee and poop out, so we're going to go drain this and try it again. So opening up my bag, I'm just going to dump. So I'm just going to squeeze out the poopy pee water, shake these up a little bit. Grab my soap nuts again, and we'll tie that bag closed. And fill it up one more time. And then we let the air out again. I've used really hot water this time. I'm finding that the hotter the water, the better. Helps activate the soap nuts, and I just think hot water is awesome. Kind of see the soap detergent, the saponin that's being released. The bag is really hot. I perhaps filled it with too much hot water, and it's hard on my hands. So how the bag works is there's a washboard here. It helps agitate, plus the agitation of just being in the bag itself. You're almost kneading it. Truthfully, this is the same thing we do when it's in a bin. We just are using a plunger. So we're going to assume our wash cycle is done. Next step is to rinse and hang dry. The Scrubba Bag does suggest that you could just rinse in the bag, but because soap nuts don't really require much rinsing, I usually just rinse in my sink, and I toss them in my bin. So we're just going to rinse in the sink. And the best way to know if your flats are clean will be to smell them. And they shouldn't really have any smell to them. So this one smells clean. And the hardest part is really doing all the wringing to get all the water out. I'm about to go hang my flats outside because it's 25 degrees outside, so I'm not overly concerned about it. But if I was hanging them inside, I would just keep wringing. You could also squish them in a towel. So she pooped on this flat, I can remember. And there will be a stain because soap nuts won't remove stains. There's no brighteners, there's no stain fighting agents. It's just remove the dirt. Doesn't smell like poop, so it must be clean. You guys, seriously, laundry is just like that scientifical. Alright, so we're gonna finish wringing up these diapers to get them ready to go outside, and then we're gonna hang them. Just let the sun do some good work, and it's pretty much done. Let me know if you've ever used soap nuts while washing cloth diapers and what your experience was like. Thanks. Bye.